thank you, sir, for relief of goods, for the happenings in this typhoon Yolanda, and my house is there was destroyed.
How? I mean, was it destroyed completely?
Destroy the roof and all was out.
All washed out?
My house was the wall and the roof was out.
Okay. How are your families?
My family is okay, but my house is destroyed the typhoon.
Okay. I see.
My house was destroyed. I feel sad, but thank you for the relief of goods.
Okay. All right. Thank you too. I hope everything will turn out okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.